About to go do some donuts to start with. This is gonna be my first time doing donuts.
Alright, now no more donut pit, dude.
Baby! So we're here at Thunderhill at the skid pad. So today I'm just gonna focus on like the donut pad, trying to do figure eight, trying to do donuts and get comfortable with the E46.
There's sections such as up here, it's very wide. So advanced drivers, if you want to like ride that out.
All right, so shit's about to happen, guys. About to go do some donuts to start with. Comfortable with the car. This is gonna be my first time doing donuts. All right, let's see. Shit, okay. I'm gonna have to dump it more. Yeah, I couldn't do it, dude. Shit, dude, it's pretty hard. So I tried it once doing donuts at the shop and I was able to do it. Kind of having difficulty right now. Maybe it's the nerves, All right, round two, baby. I'm gonna try to do better this time. Holy fuck! That was a little bit better.
Damn.
Oh yeah, son.
I gotta show up the scratches, huh?
You're gonna go?
No, I can't yet. I gotta wait until the next one.
Oh, let me know. I want to go in and ride along. How's your room, Peter?
Okay, I didn't do the full course at all.
No?
Well, I was on there, but I couldn't complete it. I just have a hard time with the first part.
Yeah.
The first initial turn, and then at the last hairpin. Like, I could straighten up and then just take that last turn, but I don't want to straighten up. I'm trying to, like, connect two turns.
I see.
So I can get it.
Yeah.
Rather than, like, discontinue the drift.
Kind of like manji it.
Yeah.
You got it. You'll get it.
It's almost there.
Yeah. All right. Let's try this again, baby. Fucking knocked out that cone, man. Peter about to hit my car. See what he thinks.
Put it in drip mode.
Drip. Oh shit.
So with your car, like, compared to mine,
Yeah.
kind of like be on the throttle a lot earlier because it's like this drive-by-wire.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of a
delay, huh?
almost, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's just how like BMW designs their cars, maybe. But
Yeah. That was good, dude. The figure eight you did earlier was hella smooth.
Oh, you got, dude. This is hell yeah. Hell yeah, boy. Hell yeah. Dude. Nah, you got this shit now for real.
You think so?
Dude, hell yeah.
Oh shit. That's crazy. Hold on, Mercer.
Take this bitch out, bro.
Where? Here?
Yeah, bro.
Holy fuck. Can I take it slow?
Yeah, if you want.
Alright, fuck it.
Seems like we should do a track cleanup after
Hit
this
this and you
session.
hit the next one.
Hit the next
Yeah,
one?
try this
Okay.
one. Because it's just like it's just a
In third gear?
Try it while,
We can
hit
also
it.
pause now. If it's,
Oh, that's
Do it,
pretty
do it.
cool.
Keep going.
yeah, there's some cones in the way.
Yeah, baby.
Like,
You almost got it.
hold the line. Copy that.
Bruh.
We're doing cleanup.
Yeah, that's good though. You were holding the long one kind of good there.
Yeah, the long one for sure, but after that I was like, oh fuck.
I mean, it's just because the transition is hard, you know?
Yeah,
But how'd you feel?
that wasn't too bad.
Yeah,
I
right.
thought I had to do the whole course. That's why I've never.
You can do pieces of it if you want. You don't have to connect it.
Thanks, Nick, for going with me.
Yeah.
Give me
See?
more confidence.
All right, now no more donut pit, dude.
Oh shit!
Clank, 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 clank. Big blue, big blue.
Alright, this is pretty much day 2 of drifting, guys. We're all here chilling. We just ate some burgers. I went ahead and had hella runs with the car. I feel way more comfortable. Having a day 1 and day 2 of drifting is hella sick. Look at this guy looking at me. Oh, you're looking zesty. You ready, Peter?
Oh, zesty Pete.
That was a good run. Holy shit, that was sick. That was way better. Baby, baby! Man, yesterday was really fun. The E46 did really well. I'm surprised with the capability this car can do, honestly. As stock suspension basically, and then I got like, not enough camber in the front, and I have like not enough positive in the rear. So to be able to do what it does and be able to do the course, what the things I've added already, that's pretty impressive. So I'm pretty impressed with the car. This always has been something I've always wanted to do since like high school. I've always wanted to drift a car and actually like slide it, and since I finally got to do it, man, I feel like I just checked something off my bucket list, because that felt just like losing control, and actually controlling it is like the best feeling, I swear. You guys need to try it. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. I need to unpack all this. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.